Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So August is here, which is the month of festivals. We have many festivals lined up. The first one is Raksha Bandhan in a couple of days. So how about making a sweet? Shall we make some Kesar Pedas? This is a very simple recipe and we don't need very many ingredients for it. So let's proceed to make Kesar Pedas. For the pedas, we'll require 3 cups of milk powder. Use full cream milk powder. 1 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of ghee, desi ghee or clarified butter. 2 to 3 pinches of saffron. Half teaspoon of cardamom powder. And some pistachios for garnishing. Now take a heavy bottomed pan. Put the sugar into it. For 1 cup of sugar, add 2 cups of water. Now stir the sugar and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring from time to time until the sugar melts. Now after it boils, you will see there is little scum on the surface. You can discard it. Now this is done. Now the syrup has to be boiled until it reduces to half. So continue boiling. Halfway through, you add the saffron and the cardamom powder. Keep stirring. Now the sugar is reduced to half. Give a good stir and switch off the gas. We are going to let it cool down. We'll add the powder only after it cools down. Now you can add the milk powder. With a spatula, mix it well. Mix it in the cold syrup first and then bring it back to the gas. Keep mixing until the powder is mixed very well into the sugar syrup and it becomes like a dough. Remember not to light the gas until then, as the milk powder will get burnt. Now you can on the gas on low flame. Keep adjusting from low to medium but never on high. Now using a spoon, keep stirring. You have to continuously stir this. In between, add a tablespoon of ghee couple of times. Add ghee and continue stirring. The flame has to be low and increase a little bit, again bring it back to low. Never on high, because you will see that the bottom gets burnt if you do this on high flame. So it takes little bit of time and patience. We have to stir this until it becomes thick lump. Now add little more ghee, about a tablespoon at a time, and stir it. It's nice to make some sweets at home for the festive season, isn't it? These days it's better not to buy anything from outside. And sweets made at home always give you satisfaction that you have done it with so much love for your brothers. It's getting thicker now. You can see it's formed into a lump. Little more to go. One more tablespoon of ghee. So in total I have put 3 tablespoons. Continue to stir. Now it's getting thicker. You can see it's leaving the sides also. Nearly done. Making sweets at home requires a lot of patience, but the end result is worth it. You are satisfied that you have made something for the festive season, and homemade mithais are always the best, especially these days when we are avoiding buying any food stuff from outside. It's nearly done. Switch off the gas and transfer this into a dish so that it cools down easily. Here I have blanched these pistachios, boiled them in water for a few minutes so that the skin comes off easily and you can cut into 2 halves. The color also becomes nice and green by blanching. You can see the skin comes off very easily. Here we are done with the pistachios. Lovely green color, isn't it? Now when the mixture is cool enough to handle, grease your hands with ghee. Take a small portion, form into a round ball, slightly flatten it and insert it pistachio in the middle. Cute little pedas. You can make any size you like. I like small bite-sized pedas. You can make larger ones if you want. This portion makes about 30 pedas of this size. If you make larger, you may get 27 or 28. You'll also find the detailed written recipe in my website. I'm sharing the link below in the description box. You can check it out if you want. Hope you like this recipe, friends. It's not too difficult to make, isn't it? You can share the video with your friends and also try out the pedas in this festive season. Friends, do subscribe to the channel if you are new and also press the bell icon to get notifications. Here the pedas are all done. Few more to go. The Raksha Bandhan thali is ready. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you in advance. Enjoy and celebrate with your brothers and family. Check out these videos. You might have missed them. Thank you.